Waxi Zhangcheng Ultrasonic Equipment Co. Ltd specializes in the production of ultrasonic non-standard customized welding equipment, servo-driven hot melt riveting welding equipment, bumper radar hole punching welding machine and other customized equipment. It is widely used in the welding production of automotive interior plastic parts, such as automobile door panels, automobile bumpers, automobile instrument panels, automobile central armrest passages, automobile dashboards, plastic oil cans, water tanks, carbon cans, engine sound insulation panels and other automotive plastic parts welding. Welcome your letter to inquire and negotiate.